Hello Internet. I'm making this video to show you how I fixed the buzzing noisy sound coming out of my USB speakers. I spent some time googling around to find a solution, and I thought I should share it with anyone else who might face the same issue. So here's the deal. Apparently this buzzing sound that I hope you can hear it, I hope that you can hear it in the video. This is due to a problem called ground loop. As a result, when you move your mouse around the scroll, etc., an annoying clicking buzzing sound can be heard. It's horribly annoying and not at all subtle. You get the noise because a loop apparently is created between the difference in potential between like two circuits or multiple circuits as they go to ground. But anyways, if every component is plugged into the same power strip, where is the loop occurring? So in my case, the problem is that I have hooked my USB cable into one of my monitor USB ports, and that is the problem. So I know two different solutions to this problem. The first one is to use some sort of USB adapter to directly connect the USB cable from your USB speakers to a power outlet on the wall, or as in my case, just simply unplug the USB cable that powers the USB adapter and simply connect it to your PC. Yeah. So as you can hear, the sound is gone and the problem is fixed. I hope this video was useful, and I hope that you can fix your problem using the same solution. Peace.